Hi guys, my name is Charity Okumu, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and a partner at Law Accent. Today we have been doing a series on what next after business registration, and today my topic is, can one restructure their business? In this question, first of all, the answer is yes, you can restructure your business according to your needs. As we had earlier looked at the different types of business structures that are available, that is sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability companies, which are private, both private and public companies. When we're talking about restructuring of a business, that means that basically you're changing the composition of your business or the type of business that you associate in. When we look at sole proprietorship, the features are that it's a business that one is an individual, consists of an individual who bears the debts, liabilities and losses of the company, and also enjoys the profit of the business. Partnership, on the other hand, we said is a business structure where we have two persons to, let's say, a maximum of 20 or a maximum of 50 for professionals like the medical officers or lawyers. So that means the composition is, you have to be, for a partnership to exist or for you to register a partnership, you have to be two to a maximum of 20 or 50. And the features of a partnership is the same like for a sole proprietorship, only that the partners, each of the partners will have a share in the loss of the business or a share in the profit of the company, depending on what is provided for in their partnership agreement. The third one is a private company. This one consists of a maximum of one person who is the shareholder to a minimum of 50. The features of a private company is that they have separate legal entity. Also, they sell their shares privately. That means they cannot advertise their shares to the public. Then we have the public companies, which I can say its composition is 7 people to an infinite number. That is, there is no definitive number of persons they need to have as maximum. And one notable feature of a public limited company is that they can advertise their shares and sell it to the public. So having looked at all these features, restructuring basically will mean that let's say for a sole proprietorship, you are one person in that business and you've introduced another person. It ceases to be a sole proprietorship and it becomes a partnership. Also, for a private company, let's say you are one person and you've now introduced 6 other people. It means now you're 7 shareholders and you are advertising your shares to the public and inviting the public to buy in the shares. At the end of the day, restructuring just means that you've changed the composition or the features of the business to another in a way that it will cease being the one that you originally registered, and that one can be done by the business registration services. I think and I hope I'm clear. In case of any questions, feel free to note them down or put them on the chat box. Thank you and have a lovely afternoon.